Home, comfort, and traveling were never the right combination. However, with modern technological advancements in the shape of RV camping, you can get the benefits along with amenities of a home on wheels while receiving all the freedom to go anywhere and set up a campsite. Nowadays, the modern RVs are compiled with all the essentials from air conditioners to freezers to entertainment systems and additional benefits to enhance a lifestyle we once thought was available only at home. And therefore, in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 best RVs in 2021 based on their design, features, amenities, and functionalities. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Coming at number 5 is an excellent eco-friendly Class C RV, the Coachmen Crosstrek, which will provide you with endless possibilities with its sheer stature and limitless capabilities. It features a state-of-the-art electrical system that is specially designed to operate every function within the coach function with its battery power. No generator, only environment-friendly electricity. To make you live with convenience, this RV comes with 8 floor plans to choose from, which can serve all your customization needs. Have a small family with 4 people? You are very well sorted. Plus, it is built on a field-friendly Ford Transit chassis that ideally organizes all the parts with durability and reliability. Also, nothing is compromised for entertainment as this RV is well equipped with a portable Bluetooth speaker and an interior smart TV. Besides, if you're a cyclist, you can keep your 2 wheels easily inside its cycle storage. All said, bring the convenience and the confidence to go anywhere with a family with a Coachmen Crosstrek, a compact and capable Class C RV that can ensure more than any other Class C ever will. Enjoy good times with your family inside the Newmar Bay Star, a Class A RV that brings a seamless fusion of innovation and facilities, making traveling from longer trips to long weekends so much fun. Based in Ford F-Series Class A motorhome chassis with an electronic stability control system, this Class A RV is equipped with a 7.3-liter V8 engine with a 350 horsepower. Despite this being so heavy, it can take you almost everywhere. It also comes in 12 different floor plans to give you the freedom of a fully customized experience. Besides, with 3 color options to choose from, this luxurious RV brings style to the road. This feature-packed RV boasts excellent entertainment amenities with Samsung LED TV, Harman JBL 180-watt sound system, and 2 Sony Blu-ray disc players. If you want more for your RV party, additional attachments are also available. A lavish RV that brings the luxury of modern homes to the road. The 2021 Newmar Bay Star offers contemporary comforts in the form of a bus that makes adventures even more feasible. Take the family where you dream of going with the Thor Quantum LC, a Class A RV that feels good to travel and brings a modern design inside the interior. It gives you the ability to choose from 2 different chassis and engine options. One is a Ford E-Series chassis with a 7.3-liter V8 engine, and the other one is a Chevrolet chassis with a 6-liter V8 engine. Both options boast sheer power to take you anywhere. Besides delivering a perfect fit for you and your lifestyle, this RV comes with 2 different floor plans, each with different seating and sleeping seating arrangements as well as unique features and amenities. Furthermore, the LC in the name, which stands for Luxurious Collection, is exactly what this four-wheeler offers. Also, in the modern age, a home does not feel like a home without a Wi-Fi connection, and for that, its WineGuard Connect 2.0 will work as your Wi-Fi system, 4G hotspot as well as TV antenna. Also, it's equipped with a Rapid Cam Plus multiplex control system, an all-in-one control center that makes setting adjustments as easy as you can dream of. Traveling in the great outdoors is what some dream for, and the Thor Quantum LC will ensure you experience the enjoyment of the adventure to the fullest. Aiming at superior design with innovative functionalities, the latest Laser Wonder RV is a wonderful Classic C RV that allows you to journey to wherever your passions carry you. With the power of a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine inside a Ford Transit dual rear wheel chassis, this Class C RV makes the best use of its maximum power to provide you with the performance to go anywhere with all your modern amenities. It comes with 4 unique floor plans ranging from Murphy bed or twin bed arrangements, adequate interior and exterior storage, and numerous interior and exterior window openings for ample natural light. And its exterior is also stunning with contoured sidewalls and a flexible fiberglass roof. Besides, to enhance your RV lifestyle, this RV comes with a soundbar system with streaming Bluetooth, a Dometic RMD 10 series refrigerator, and a touchscreen control system. Overall, the Laser Wonder offers many features such as flexibility, comfort, and an innovative floor plan, all with a modern flair that will appeal to many RV buyers, including you. Designed in a way that you and your family can take on many adventures from slope to shore, the Winnebago Solis tops our list with flying colors, first amenities, functionalities, and hands down reliable performances. It features a unique pop-top roof that is durable, easy to use, and lets you sleep with a broader view of the stars. It comes with a Froley sleep system that'll leave you with ample space to sleep with a loved one. It has also got a 220-watt solar panel system on the pop-top for off-the-grid living. Besides, available in 2 floor plans, this RV is built on a Ram Pro Master chassis with a 3.6-liter V6 gas engine that provides excellent power to the wheels. With the speed, power, and excellent ceiling-to-floor installation, this RV makes your traveling fast and soothing. Winnebago has thrown a bunch of amenities to keep your satisfaction well sorted with the Truma Combi Eco Heating System, Coleman Mash 10 NDQ air conditioner, as well as a 12-volt refrigerator and stainless steel sink, just to name a few. All in all, the Winnebago Solis allows you to have a vehicle that fits into a parking space while also letting you go RVing almost anywhere, which is quite appealing. So, that was all about the 5 latest RVs in 2021. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.